class 1 session. In that before we have to learn about that. What is that? Various types of animals. We have to divide in different. There are different types of kinds of animals. We have to classify them. We say based on the skin, based on the food eating animals, and we have to analyze it, that shapes and sizes, and what are the food habits, what are the variations of food items. We have to uh, separate them, and what are the uses of animals also we have to learn about that before lesson. Now we have to go to that next lesson, that is that the lifestyles of animals and biodiversity. Do you know, children? Name any 5 animals in living heads, and name some animals we have to kept in our home. Have you seen that tribe goats? మీరు ఎప్పుడైనా చూసారా? Do you animals that goats and monks lives in groups? Yes, in goats also live in some group of goats, group of sheep, group of hens. They have to live in groups. Some animals live alone with their young ones, and that in that man also social animal. He is also depend on the others, and that various needs such as for food and searching in food items, and he is depend on to the others food and wearing types of clothes, and place to place going to another for searching of food. They have to, we know they have to do, they have to learn about in that next lesson. And that animals are around us to our society. In that verification of that behavior and physical features, we can find out that variations of animals behaviors, and with the respect living in the groups living, and some animals are living alone and moving from place to place another to sleeping patterns. In this chapter we have to learn, and that lifestyles of animals. What is the lifestyles of animals? Some animals such as elephants, deers and fish, birds lives in groups. These animals are lives in groups. And do you know that the what a flock, what a shawl, what a pride, what a head? Do you know this about these words meanings? All of these group of animals are called living that name. That elephants and deers are living heads. Yes. Just you see the board. The animals depends on the various needs such as food and food to eat. Animals around us show verification, behavior, physical features. We can find out the animals behavior with the live in group, and some animals live in alone and move to one place to another place, and we can find out the sleeping pattern also. That elephants and deers live in heads, fish live in shallows, and that birds also live in flocks. In this, all the groups have their own leaders. Some groups have a female leader such as clan of hyenas has a female leader. In that, some groups also have female leader. In that, hyenas. Hyena animals also who leader? Female leader. Some animals have a separate group of for males. Some animals have separate group leaders of males. That separate group of females and males, and their young ones also such as deer. In head of elephants, females elephants are more in number of as compared the male elephants. There are about that 10 to 12 elephants in that head along with their babies. And individual adult female who is the oldest in the head generally leads the head. In that male elephant leaves the head at the age of 15. Yes, in that head where which animals are living? Elephants. Elephants lives in 10 to 12 elephants, the group of elephants with their young ones. And that female elephant lives generally, what is the oldest place is head is there, they have to live in that place. but that female elephant, they can take and go their children to them, and they can live up to age of with them up to age of 15. And that the journey of the pride elephant starts in the morning. The female elephant leader begins to journey with the trumpet. Who is that maintaining the group of leader? They have to start it in front of the trumpet. Trumpet means the loud sound made by the animals. Trumpet means the elephant have trumpet means that is called it produce a more sound in the by the animal. It is called trumpet. Through its trunk, the entire group of follows the leaders and hermitors are halt at the place where more vegetarian is seen. In that way, they have to starting in the morning only. Then which animal is treated as a leader, it started in the front of with the trumpet. With the trumpet means it is more voice produced by the animals. It is called trumpet. It is coming to the trunk. It is moved to in the morning to go into another place, and where we halt, and halt means they have to stay on the time. Where is the vegetarians food are there more, they have to halt that place. It is that place. And the next one, that vegetarian food. The group of elephants feed the vegetation and then enter the water bodies. And they have to take the vegetarian food or they are halting, and they have taken vegetation and they have to go to the water, put on their bodies. Okay, animals halt the place where the vegetation moves in that. The group of elephants feed the vegetation and that enter the water bodies for playing, for they have to fun. And the young ones also taught to swim during this period. As the male elephant to teach taught that a small elephants to swim in the water, and they have to in this period. That such type of lifestyle gives the protection to the elephants. Yes, the young ones can go to the male elephants, and to go to that water bodies, they have to taught that is in the water how to swim the babies. This period useful to this type of lifestyle to protection the baby elephants. The period of lions, including lions, lionesses and their cubs. The babies, young ones of lionesses are called cubs. There are 15 to 30 members. The group of lions, how many members are there in the group? 15 to 30 members in a pride. The cubs are of a lion do not hunt. The cubs of a lion do not hunt when they are small. When the babies are very small of lion, they won't hunt. They observe their elders and they slowly learn everything. They can observe the elders of them, and they can learn to how to hunting the animals. Living in social group helps to better bringing of young ones of animals. Unbringing of young ones of animals. These birds also have social animal. Bird also have social animal as they live in the groups. One of the main advantages of staying in groups is that the birds are protecting from their enemies. The birds are protecting their enemies. And the young ones of birds learn various tasks from their elders. The young ones of birds learn about the task of their mother bird, and that the how can such as hunting, scratching for that, searching of food, how they protecting themselves. These learn about from the enemies, from learn the birds elders, and how can they protect the enemies also they can learn. And many birds live in flocks. Birds are leaves are flocks, flocks, that some birds fly in the V-shaped pattern. Some birds are flying. Birds are flock, so they fly V-shape. V-shape. The birds are fly V-shape, and they have to migrate. They have to migrate in flocks from one place to another place. And birds migrate in search of food and shelter in thousands of kilometers. Thousands of kilometers they have to go to the search of food, and they have to find out they have to stay the place. No, they have to arrange the shelter also. Different types of birds are eat different types of food. The birds eats what type of food eats birds? Yes, birds eats food grains, fruits. Yes or no? Fruits, insects, and worms. Yes or no? Birds are eating this type of food. Yes or no? And fish and flesh also eat some birds. And parrots and chickens enjoy the eating of fruits. Yes, parrots are eating fruits. They are enjoying the tasty of fruits and nuts. Sparrows and finches eat grains. And hummingbirds and sunbird and woodpecker suck the nectar from the flowers. Which birds? Hummingbird, hummingbird, sunbird and woodpecker suck the nectar from the flowers. And vulture and eagles eat flesh of other animals. Which one? Hummingbird, sunbird and woodpecker suck the nectar from the flowers, and a vulture, eagle eat flesh of other animals, and penguins and kingfisher eat fishes in the water, and swallows and shrimps eat insects. Swallows and shrimps eats in the insects in their food habits. Do you know, children, you know anything you can find out that? Yes, we have to learn about that up to here. What are the animals? How can they can live in group of? What is that? Animals live groups are called herds. Fish lives in sloughs. Birds lives in flocks. And these group of animals also live in the groups. And elephants lives is how many members are that group? 10 to 12 members. Elephants live in group of animals, and the young ones, the male elephants taken with them the search of food, and how to searching the food, how to swim. They can in this period they can taught to the young ones. And that lions young ones are cubs, and they have to live 15 to 30 members of group of lions. And these lions in a pride we can call, and that they have to learn how the small babies are, the lions are not hunting, and they can protect the young ones. And that birds also social animal. It is live in group of animals, group of birds, and we can call the group flocks. And that the young ones they have to protect in the small babies. They have to give into food and to the small birds, and they have to taught to the young ones how to protect the animals and how to fly to taught to the young ones. And different birds also eat different types of food items. We learn about that birds eat seeds, fruits, insects and worms. Fish eats and small worms. Parrots and chickens are eat fruits, and woodpecker, Hummingbird, Sarvadar eats suck the nectar of honey or flowers, and vulture eagles are eat flesh of other animals. Penguins and kingfisher eat fishes. Sharks and shiftar eats insects. Up to here we have to finish. In the next session we have to learn about that houses of shelter of animals.